Are you on your way to Marriott Harbour Lake and you want to see what a studio room looks like? Well, be sure to stick around. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough through ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before we head inside our studio villa here at Marriott Harbour Lake in Orlando, Florida, I want to let you know on this channel, I provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. Even if you don't own timeshare, but you love staying at these fantastic timeshare resort properties, I also do villa tours, resort tours, and resort reviews as well. So be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, and also click on that notification bell, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Okay, so it's time to head inside here. Take a look at this studio villa, Marriott Harbour Lake. So let's head inside and take a look. Okay, so as soon as we come in the door here, let's get that closed. Do have a small kitchenette here. It's a pretty small area, not a lot of counter space or anything, but not too bad. You do have a microwave oven. There's a smaller refrigerator down here, and it does look like it has a little freezer as well, so that's kind of a handy little thing. So if you buy anything frozen from the grocery store, you can put it in there. You do have your coffee maker and toaster, starting coffee supplies, dish towels, little tiny salt and pepper shakers. All the resorts seem to have these, just kind of enough to get you through your stay. And here you have a nice little sink, pretty deep sink too. That's actually really cool. And up here you have all of your dishware and glassware. A microwave oven. I don't think there's anything up there. Nope. But down in here, we're most likely to have your silverware. Looks like enough for 4 people. That is actually better than Grand Vista where we were. They only had enough silverware for 2. So if you actually want to see a studio tour at Marriott's Grand Vista, I'll put a link in the upper right. But looks like that is about it. All the rest of these are empty. And under here, just your trash. Then as we continue in here, this is doorway goes over to the 1-bedroom side. So like I mentioned, we're just in a studio. 1 bedroom on the other side. This makes up a full 2-bedroom lock-off unit. Some nice artwork on the wall. As we head into the bedroom living area, looks like a closet. You do have a sweeper, ironing board, extra bedding, and the in-room safe. Then right beside that, actually a really good sized large flat screen television. And something that seems to be going away in many of the units, this one still has one, is a Blu-ray player. So you can bring some DVDs, you can bring some Blu-rays and play them, watch them on those rainy days. Now over here is the living area. Got a couch, pull-out sleeper sofa, actually pulls it into a queen-size bed. Some really nice artwork on the walls. These rooms were actually renovated not too long ago, so they're in really nice shape. Really nice, cool looking rooms here at Marriott's Harbour Lake. Then here, a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands, alarm clock, exposed USB and power. So you have nightstand on each side. Over here is the dining room table, just a small table with 2 chairs. Nice little window out there. There is the patio. We'll go and take a look at that here in just a moment. And in here, you do have the bathroom. Small bathroom. You just have your toilet, single vanity, towels. They are still putting pool towels in the villas here. So fortunately, one of the things with Harbour Lake, these studios, is there's no in-room laundry. I'm not aware of any way to actually swap those out. So they do have laundry, I believe, on the 3rd floor. So you can do that. Maybe if you go to the front desk, they'll swap that out for you. I'm not too sure. But nice big mirror, lots of light in here. And then in here, just a bathtub with a shower. I mean, nothing too extravagant here. No real nice walk-in shower in this bathroom. All right, now let's head back out. We're gonna walk out and take a look at the patio. Ha ha ha, there it is. There is actually a separate little bar there. So when you can't get out and you struggle like I just did, check for that little bar. There we go, much easier now. So out here, just 2 chairs and a small patio table. Kind of cool though, they do have ceiling fans. It is hot and muggy here in Orlando right now, so nice to have those ceiling fans. It is screened in, so look at all those. You probably can't see them in the video, but there's all kinds of bugs on the outside wanting to get in, and the thing keeping them from me are these screens. Great feature here. And they also have an electrical outlet down there. That is great. Definitely handy to have if you can stand the heat, you want to work outside here on the patio, feel free, go right ahead. Okay, so there you have it. The studio villa here at Marriott's Harbor Lake in Orlando, Florida, right across the street from Cypress Harbor. We've actually been to all of the resorts here in Orlando. If you want to see a video where I talk about all of them, which one might be best for you, from the villas, the views, the food, the pools, and so much more, I'll put a link down in the description box below in what to watch next. It's my comparison guide, the ultimate Marriott Vacation Club resort guide for here in Orlando, comparing them all. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Really does help with these videos, helps to tell YouTube that you like them too, and they'll push you more just like it. And if you want to see another video from here at Marriott's Harbor Lake, check out this one right up here in YouTube. They're pretty sure you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And remember, until next time, the best memories are made in a timeshare.